Now, this gauge is very useful and it's worth buying. It actually makes life easy if you use Action Cam for taking pictures or videos. But there is one thing that Telesin might forgot to the overall design: the trigger. This metal crossbar is very sensitive, and you can actually have accidental presses to the camera. And as you know, you might end up not having enough memory. Though you can actually deactivate the auto record feature in the camera, but me personally, I like to keep it handy and so I come up with this temporary solution by using this straps. It's actually the very same cable straps that you use for cable management, and it's very handy. It's very cheap, readily available, and mostly it is made out of cloth. Technically cloth. I don't know if you can see it. And so it's not going to scratch the surface, especially if you're the type of person who doesn't like scratches, because I don't like it because it ruins the overall look of it. So this is how you do it. I choose black because it looks more uniform to the camera. So I actually trimmed a little bit of the strap to the side so that it will not be that wide. So of course remove the crossbar and then put it like this. You just have to make sure that you're gonna end up with this double layer strap in the bottom, because this is actually gonna act like as an anchor to prevent the trigger from pressing the button. So it's going to be like that. So you can slide it. If you're gonna take pictures, you can slide it to this side, and then if you don't, you can slide it to this side. So I'll show you. So this is how it works. So if you're not going to take pictures, you can just slide to the right. You can just slide the strap to the right. This is my right hand, and if you hold the camera this way, so this is the right side. So if you're not going to take pictures to prevent accidental touches, you can just slide the strap to the right. See? That easy. And since the corners of the cage is actually thicker, it actually stops the trigger from touching the button. So you're not going to have accidental touches. And then if you wanted to take pictures or take videos, you can just slide it to the left. See? Did you see how the trigger just dropped when I slide it to the left? Now the trigger is touching the button, so now you can take pictures. I don't know if you can hear the button. See? So if I'm not gonna take pictures, I just slide it to the left. So now if I'm not gonna take pictures, I'll just slide it to the right, and it's not touching the button. So hopefully in the future Telesin might come up with an accessory, or I don't know, they could change the overall design or change the design of the metal crossbar, or come up with an additional accessory that you can put here to act as a lock so that you can't have accidental presses. So that's it. That's my temporary solution for this accidental presses to the camera. Thanks for watching.